Serrano, and today we're going to be talking about how you can install a tempered glass screen protector on your LG Stylo 6. So first step is you want to make sure that you get a microfiber cloth or a dust particle cloth. It could be dry, and just make sure you wipe the surface of your phone completely off. You could even do the back as well, but just make sure it's nice and clean of hairs, dirt, dust, and anything that may get trapped underneath the screen. So then you want to give it a second wipe as well, and then you may even want to grab something that can wipe it down even better. So I grabbed like another micro towel, and you will notice that the LG Stylo 6 can have some micro scratches if you don't keep a screen protector or a tempered glass, which is why I would recommend installing one if you do have an option to get one for really cheap on Amazon or anything like that. If there is an affiliate link for this product, I can leave it down below, but I got this one from my Metro by T-Mobile local store. So this one will actually be really easy to install. You just peel off the sticker right here, and the part that will be exposed to the glass is the stickier part. So we're going to make sure we wipe the surface one more time and then line it up with the camera right there module at the top, and you can't go wrong. Make sure you got a nice even space on both sides, and then just watch the pressure build from the top to the bottom automatically. So you can see all the air automatically worked its way down to the bottom really quick. Within like 5 seconds, it was already working its way down, and now that it's pressure sealed, so all the pressure is locked down on the glass. And now you can see that this is the way it would look. The glass is actually going to be extremely protective. It's going to add an extra layer of glass between your screen and your phone, which won't interfere with the pen in any way or touch or pressure sensitivity in any way possible. So that's the great thing. Well, that's pretty much it. It's a simple process, and that's all you would need to know. So if you wanted to add some extra protection to the glass, then make sure you hit the like button and stay locked in for more videos. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, and evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. But make sure you check out another video right after this one if you found this tip helpful and in any way possible to you. But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you guys later. Peace, crew.